Chili
Hello
screen.
everyone, today I want to show us how to wash water leaf. Please come with me, let's do this together. Don't go anywhere, I'm coming. So here is my water leaf. I've already done the washing, so I want to start the process of removing the draw in the water leaf. So this is how you do it. As you can see, look at how I'm doing it, washing it, making sure the slimy part of it is being removed. So as you can see, look at how it is. Look at it. Look at it. Can you see the draw here? So this is how to do it. Wash it very well. The next thing that I am going to do right now, can you see it? Can you see? So make sure you wash your water leaf. If not, after cooking, the lemon is purged. So the next thing I will do now is to add water. Rinse it very well. Just add enough water to it. As you can see that I'm doing, add enough water. Wash it. Make sure it's very strong. As you can see how strong it is on my hand. It's not just this, so I'm still going to wash again. Okay, so at this point I will have to start squeezing it because I want every slimy part of it to be removed. So I will be squeezing it out, squeeze out all the water in it. You know, sometimes people wash their water leaf just straight away and put in their pot and start cooking. Man, no, it takes time, it takes long. And then the nutrient that the water leaf will give to you, you have to boil it out on fire. No. Likewise, me, I like my water leaf to be fresh and green, I swear. Put it in the fridge, serve it for like 3 days coming. Nobody will know that the soup has already been cooked for the past 3 days. Look at the water, how it's drawing. So I've removed the water, the first part. So this is the last one. I want to rinse it right now. I'm gonna pour it into my bowl, then add water. At this point I don't need too much water anymore, so I just pour 1 bucket of water and start squeezing it again. Please follow this step and thank me later. Can you see it? Look at how it is one. It's only a lazy woman that wouldn't want to squeeze her water leaf like this and then put it in the pot because you're in a hurry. Remember, by the time you hurry, cook it like this. After hurrying, the next place you will hurry to is toilet. You're gonna hurry and then start pouring. So I encourage us to wash our water leaf like this. Look at the water. You can as well agree with me that the water, the first water and this are not the same. Please comment, like and share this video. Thank you.